just thought I'd do a video in case anybody's after a SVR kit for a 2017 Range Rover Sport. So I've just fitted the front wings, and you can see, if I put a torch down in here, you can see they're a pretty good fit. The finish on them is really good. They fit really well all the way along the top and down the side. And I'm just, I mean, obviously, sort of things that you're going to look like me was, you know, where the swage lines line up. So I mean, you can see, excuse me, you can see possibly. There, look, try and get the light on them. That's a good one. You can see it's bang on. You know, I'd heard all these stories about, oh, it won't fit, it'll look crap, you know, the all lines are all out and everything else. And I mean, I can actually see there's a bit of a ripply dent. No, it's just a bit of grease or whatever. You can see the line, the fitment of the door, look up the door there, is bang on. I mean, it's as good as it was when it was, you know, when I took it off. I might, it's a little bit narrower at the bottom than it is at the top, ever so slightly. But I mean, I don't think anybody's going to say anything about that. If you're interested as well, I've stuck the rear bumper on. This is the rear bumper. So again, you know the fitment, it'll all hang over, it'll look awful. I mean, look at that. You know, the fitment of it, it's absolutely bang on. Apparently they're laser measured now. They're all you know, 3D measured, you know, and I think they're as good as a you know, a sort of modern kit. I mean, it depends on what you want, doesn't it? You know, people will you know, spend fortunes on all this sort of stuff. Tell you, when that's sprayed, I mean, all right, yeah, if you went really close up to it, you might, yeah, look at that, you know, it's got a little gap here. But I mean, for what you pay for it compared to the original stuff, absolutely banging. The back lights are in here, and they were superb. The back lights. Is that them? No, that's the original ones, isn't it? Hang on. Back seat. Yeah, these backlights, these are the new later shape LED ones. These are absolutely fantastic, and I tell you that fit as good as the genuine Range Rover ones, which one of them was full of water because it bloody leaked anyway. So, you know, for what you pay for this stuff, it's absolutely fantastic, man. I tell you, yeah. I'll do some more when I do the rest of it. When the front bumper's on, I'm going to do this front wing and put the slam panel back on. But yeah, I'll try and take a video again. So if you subscribe, you should see it. The other bits. Cheers, thanks.